This is how Jud sleeps at night. You can see this area right in here sucking in kind of hard. His eyes are sometimes slanted open a little bit. They close when I turn the lights on. We were a little bit worried about whether or not he's getting enough oxygen. We assume he is, but we wanted you to look at it, Kendall, and see what you thought. Alright, thanks.